Walhamdulillah, wa la ilaha illallah. Hearts awaken with your name, shining bright, a glowing flame. You are the light when all is dark. You guide us with your perfect spark. Subhanallah, the earth replies, praising you beneath the skies. Walhamdulillah, each breath we take, a sign of love you never forsake. Wa la ilaha illallah, one truth remains through every joy, through all our pains. No gods beside you, none above you alone, our endless love. Wallahu Akbar, loud we cry, the Lord of land, the King of sky. Mountains bow and oceans sing, to you your realm, our offering. Guide our hearts, remove our fear, your mercy draws us ever near. In every step we praise your name, forever glowing like a flame. Subhanallah, alhamdulillah, wa la ilaha illallah, wallahu akbar. Hearts awaken with your name, shining bright, a glowing flame. You are the light when all is dark. You guide us with your perfect spark. Subhanallah, the earth replies, praising you beneath the skies. Walhamdulillah, each breath we take, a sign of love you never forsake. Wa la ilaha illallah, one truth remains through every joy, through all our days. No gods beside you, none above you alone, our endless love. Wallahu Akbar, loud we cry, the Lord